So the game I was so excited about is finally on the Nintendo Switch, Assassin's Creed III Remastered. You play as Connor Kenway and you have to kill everyone in order to get something to finish the game and to save the world. That's what the game is about. So this game is actually releasing on the 21st. Today is the 19th. I got this hard copy in the shop. It wasn't in the shop, so I thought I'll buy it and I'll make a video about it even before it's released. So here it is. So the game itself plays actually rather smooth. It's the frame rates are very high and it looks great. I filmed this handheld because this is actually a game you'll play handheld on the toilet or in your couch or in your chair or somewhere else. This is not something you play on the big screen. For that you have your Xbox One, your PlayStation 4 or your computer. This is Nintendo Switch. You play this handheld. This is awesome. Just look at this. Assassin's Creed handheld. Whew. So the game also features Assassin's Creed Liberation and has all the DLCs included, which is great of course. And the gameplay is surprisingly good in my opinion. I thought it would lack a lot of quality because I saw some gameplay videos and some trailers. And I was like, that's not going to be that nice, but it's actually very good, and I was very impressed with the gameplay handheld, so that's great. The voiceovers, the sound, the music is always awesome in Assassin's Creed. We know the story, of course. I've already said it, you have to save the world in order to finish the game, and you go into the Anubis, you go from modern day to past day, you change in one of your ancestors, and you kill Templars and all that stuff. So it's an amazing game. I've played it a lot on my Xbox 360, on my PS4 I think as well. But I think it's like 4 or 5 years ago since I've played this game, and I'm really glad I got it. It's only $40, so it's a bargain actually for this game on Nintendo Switch. I have a lot of games on the Nintendo Switch, but I would give this a solid 9 out of 10. The only reason why it's not a 10 is because when there are dark scenes, it's a little bit too dark, and sometimes I get the feeling that it's difficult to maneuver. Although each control you make is perfectly synchronized, you sometimes get the feeling that you can't maneuver that easily through everything. So that's the only reason why I don't give it a 10, but it's not a big issue. Alright, do you need this game on your Nintendo Switch? Yes. This is a must buy. Just get it. It's awesome. It's a fantastic game. You'll enjoy it, and I can't stress this enough, this is an amazing game. Right, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're getting this game and why, if you love Assassin's Creed or not. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Ciao. Or something like that.